Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about municipal wastewater treatment system. What are the main objectives of the wastewater treatment? The main objective is to kill the pathogens, to improve the quality of the wastewater, to avoid unhygienic condition, to protect the aquatic life from the toxic wastewater, to make the wastewater usable for the agriculture, aquaculture, etc. Collection of wastewater. Collection of domestic wastewater is best achieved by full sewerage water drainage system. Unfortunately, this method is more expensive and there is relatively few communities in hot climate which afford it. A modern hygienic method of night soil collection is the only realistic alternative in many of the poor and underdeveloped countries. Treatment of wastewater. Treatment is required principally to destroy pathogenic agents in the sewerage or night soil and to enforce that it is suitable for whatever reuse process. Reuse of wastewater. The responsible reuse of the wastewater is in aquaculture or crop irrigation, which can significantly contribute to the community food supply and hence it is generally social development. Performance criteria for wastewater treatment management system. Health criteria, water recycling criteria, ecological criteria, nuisance criteria, cultural criteria, operational criteria, cost criteria. Health criteria. Pathogenic organisms should not be spread either by direct contact with the sewerage or indirectly via soil, water or food. The treatment chosen should be achieve a high level degree of the pathogen destruction. Reuse and recycle criteria. The treated water should be suitable for use in aquaculture or agriculture. Ecological criteria. The land should be considered exception when the waste cannot be reused. The discharge of the effluent into a surface water should not exceed the self-purification capacity of the recipient water body. Nuisance criteria. The degree of the odor release must be below the nuisance threshold. No part of the system should become aesthetically offensive. Cultural criteria. The method chosen for waste collection, treatment or disposal should be compatible with local habits and social practices. Operational criteria. The skills required for the routine operation and maintenance of the system component must be available locally or are such that they can be acquired with minimum training. Cost criteria. Capital and running cost must not exceed the community's ability to pay. The financial return from reuse scheme is an important factor in the of the plant. No one system completely satisfies all these demands. The problem becomes one of minimizing the disadvantage. Wastewater treatment process. Municipal wastewater is primarily organic in content and a significant number of the industrial, including chemical, pharmaceuticals and food processing, have a high quantity of organic waste load. This means that the main treatment process are geared toward organic removal. In a typical treatment plant, the wastewater is directed through a series of physical, chemical and biological processes with a specific waste load reduction task. Pre-treatment, physical or chemical. Primary treatment will be in the physical. Secondary treatment, biological. Advanced treatment can be in the form of chemical or biological.
Need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications and comment below which gift you would like.